Butler Boys Adventures. We are going to the track in a minivan today. I got 2 riders. We're going to go to Bolton, North Carolina. We got a dog, some gear. What more do you need? Good friends. Let's roll. What do you think, Eli? Tomac? You ready?
Yep.
All right. This is fun. Eli.
What? Ow! Ow, that hurt.
Got you on camera.
Y'all need a bottle of
We got a special guest riding with us today. Going to County Line MX.
Underneath some exercises.
Alright, we made it.
County Line. We haven't been here in a while.
I haven't been to this track in a while. So we're here really early this morning. So that's good. Let's ride. Todd's here. County Line boy. I like that hoodie. Alright guys, a little muddy back here today. Track looks good though, it's wet.
I would not want to ride it because if you went off,
And
you're going that way.
man, these kids are excited.
Who was there last time?
This is Cody, the trainer down here at County Line. Cody's taking a look at Butler Boys Adventures, Speedy G's, KTM 65. These brakes are a little funky, a little tight. Put new ones on. Thanks, Cody. Bam. Like your new hoodie. Jesse J. Not speaking to the camera today. Eli, speak to the camera.
Hello.
Speak to the camera, Gray. So, just so the Butler Boys Adventures fans who are watching, what we're checking out is this girl who's just ripping it out here on a KTM. I'll catch her on this next jump so you can see. She's ripping it. Here she is. You been training with Cody? You got a shirt like this?
Yeah.
All right.
You ready?
Go, Mason, are coming.
Say, why do you do that?
There's Gray back.
This is what happens when you get stuck in this track. No, my boots are worse than yours. I know, they're both bad.
Hey, but how about y'all stay on the throttle and you won't be getting stuck?
No, those are super bad. Nobody got in it.
All right, y'all ready to ride?
Yeah. Our bikes are so muddy too.
They are. There you go. The Tomac! Great base, Speedy G.
See, he does the same thing.
Well, right there you should, or either jump both of them.
Go!
Got it.
Go!
Got it.
Boss!
Go. There you go.
That's a lot.
It's an 11-year-old girl. She's awesome. She's a ripper. Slow down.
Go, Eli, go! Wow.
casing. There's Eli Tomac. Speedy G. Come on, Speedy G. Alright, so Eli Tomac doesn't want to listen. He wants to slow down at the top of hills. He's getting better. Hey, this is your photo shoot moment. Next time you get on that track, I'm going to be right here. I want you to land this thing about right there. Okay? Next time you're on this track, I want you to hit this as hard as you've hit it, and I want a good jump. Okay? What?
What? Come on, you know. It ain't gonna hurt you. I never stop.
We want to interview you real quick. This is the Butler Boys Adventures video. What's your name?
Isabelle.
Isabelle, we got you on camera doing some sick jumps today.
Okay.
And if you'll check us out on Butler Boys Adventures, you've really taught these kids right here, Eli Tomac, that a girl can do it and really do it. I mean, awesome jumps. I mean, oh, golly. You're not scared, are you?
No.
What happens when you're out there in your mind and you're making those big jumps?
Well, we're trying to train for Loretta wins. So I just want to, I think out there how bad I was.
And your trainer's Cody, right?
Yes.
Cody trains out here at County Line.
Yes.
Is he a good trainer?
Yeah.
We're going to sign up some of our boys from Bladen County to do some training with him.
Yeah.
And so what would you recommend to start training with? Like you do a lot of like turns?
Yeah, I mostly needed help in the turns. He also helps me on the jumps, like to get over my nerves over the jumps.
Right.
He teaches you entry speed, how like position in the turns to help you lean more.
Well, one thing's for sure, you are not scared. I mean, we're watching you going, this is amazing. She is truly talented, and we want to watch her ride more today. I'm going to show you guys in the fans more videos soon. And your name was again?
Isabelle.
Isabelle, we can follow you on your YouTube channel now, right?
Sure.
What's your YouTube channel?
KTM Racing Sisters.
KTM Racing Sisters. That's awesome. We'll all check it out. Butler Boys Adventure fans, check this out. She's awesome. Show you more in a minute.
Watch the most forgiving landing if you come up short.
I got stuck back there before the big table.
Yeah, 30.
So this is the team.
Here, you won't have enough.
This is the coach right here, huh?
Cody's not here today.
Yeah. Good one. I like that.
Nice to meet y'all.
It's great, man. There goes the girl. Isabelle, what an amazing jump.
Go, go! There you go.
Get better, Rich.
This thing right here.
Let's see.
There's Isabelle again. This is Isabelle's sister. There's Isabelle. Say what?
When I jump there, getting used to the jump.
Yeah, what did she say about them Suzukis?
They keep cutting me off and not caring.
Not caring? Like caring?
Over there.
Okay, right. So tell us about the ride today. I mean, where are we at right now?
We're at Dreamville.
We're not at Dreamville.
We're at County Line. Track's real muddy. You just gotta keep the throttle on right now today. As long as you keep the throttle, you can get over it.
And what about this new rebuild that we did? Do you think it's riding good?
Yeah. Muddy.
Huh? I mean, I know it's muddy, but is it riding good? Nice. So we got to get you on the KTM 85 next.
No, not yet.
Not yet?
I need a little. I haven't even raced yet. I'm about to.
All right. Eli, tell me, what do you think about the track?
It's good. Some ruts are deep. Some jumps are sketchy, but other than that, yeah, it's fine.
It's fine?
Have to keep on throttling.
What's your favorite jump? Point it out.
That was right over there.
Oh yeah, that's the one I saw you hitting earlier.
Big tabletop.
I've been seeing all of y'all hit that tabletop.
Yeah, that's my favorite. And
Yep.
then those two tables right there.
You do hit those pretty sick.
And I like that turn before the step up. Which one?
Little people talking. Haven't got Mama on camera today, but our motocross mom has been a true trooper today because we're on the big track and she's not happy about it.
I'm not had to kill her 3 times.
Jessie J, get out there and ride, girl.
Where'd you put my gear?
Sam, we got to do our shout out to Megan. Boom, boom. She's missing Hunter right now. Oh, that's all she could think about is Hunter. Hunter and Sam sitting in a tree. Better not kiss him. Nice one. Nice one. Speedy G.